Looking for free music for your YouTube videos? In this video, I'll show you how to use YouTube Audio Library Music to quickly find, preview, and download the right track. Everything is built right into YouTube Studio, so let's jump straight in. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Then click your channel profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select YouTube Studio. Once Studio opens, you'll see your channel dashboard. Now look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find Audio Library. Then click Audio Library. You're now in YouTube's built-in library, where you can find both music and sound effects. At the top, you'll see different ways to search and filter the music. Click the Search or Filter option. From here, you can narrow the results by title, genre, mood, artist, or duration. For example, search for dramatic and click Apply. Now you'll get a list of tracks matching that style. Before you download one, there's one quick thing worth checking. Find a track you like and check its license information. This tells you whether attribution is required when you use the music. If the track says no attribution is required, you can use it without adding credit. If attribution is required, make sure you follow the instructions shown there. Now click the play button next to a track to hear a preview. If you like it, click the download button. The music will then be saved to your computer as an audio file. And that's all you need to do to find and download music directly from YouTube's audio library. If you want to check YouTube's official audio library information and usage terms, I've left the link in the description. If this saved you time and helped you find music without searching random websites, like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.